Oh my god, it's raining. It's 6 o'clock. My boat's leaving. I've got a private boat going to the whale watching. We're a mile, about, what, 5 miles out into the ocean. And look at it. Come all this way. Today's whale day. Please rain, stop within the next hour. Oh, please stop rain so I can go and see the whale. Swim with a whale. And have a whale of a time. In fact, the rain's having a blooming whale of a time at the minute. This room's good because I'm right next to the sea. I can see the sea. That's the boathouse that there's the dolphin boats. They take you out to see the dolphins and you can swim with them. So that's so near. That's why I'm here in this building.